Asteroids are really important features in our solar system because they are the leftover remnants from the very earliest material that came together and built up the planets and the moons in the solar system about 4.5 billion years ago. The Psyche asteroid that we're going to visit with the Psyche mission is really unique. There are millions of asteroids out in our solar system at different places in the solar system, but most of them are kind of rocky or icy. But there are only about 9 of these asteroids that appear to be mostly metal, or they give off a signal that says they have a lot of metal on their surface, iron and nickel. And there's only 9 of those, and Psyche is the largest of all of those. So that's why we're going there. We've never seen anything like it before. When planets form, the inside melts and all of the heavy metals go to the middle, and then the lighter rocky material goes out on the outside, just like Earth and Mars and Mercury. But if there was a big impact that hit that object and blew off all that rocky crust, it would have left that metal core exposed. And so if we go to Psyche and it is an exposed metal core, that's the only way we can actually see inside of a planet to see what a metal core looks like. Asteroid Autumn is going to be so much fun. We have several missions that are exploring asteroids different ways in different parts of the solar system. The first event that's going to happen on September 24th is that we are bringing back a sample from an asteroid, a near-Earth object asteroid called Bennu. And that's going to be phenomenal, bringing back samples to tell us about what they're made of, what that asteroid's made of, and delivery of water and organic molecules to the planet. So that's going to be cool on the 24th. On September 26th, just 2 days later, we're going to celebrate the 1-year anniversary of the DART mission, the Double Asteroid Redirection Test. That was the one that impacted an asteroid a year ago and demonstrated for the first time our ability as humans to change the orbital path of a celestial object. And then on October 5th, we're going to launch this mission, the Psyche mission, to go visit the metal asteroid Psyche. And then on November 1st, the Lucy mission, which is studying a different set of asteroids out at an orbital distance the same as Jupiter, they're going to do an orbital flyby of a main belt asteroid as a practice run, just to run through all of their operations and reduce the risks. So we've got all kinds of exciting asteroid things going on this fall. For anyone that wants to follow along with the OSIRIS-REx return and the Psyche launch, we really invite people to come to our website at www.nasa.gov/specials/virtual-guest, and you can join us in all the excitement. So Psyche is bringing along a guest on the spacecraft called the Deep Space Optical Communications Package. This is a technology demonstration. It's going to use lasers to communicate back to Earth from a Mars distance. And this has a lot of potential in the future because normally we communicate through radio waves, but a laser we can send much more data up and down. So this will allow us to have much higher bandwidth communication with deep space. This asteroid is really different because most of the asteroids in our solar system are made of rocks and ice. Lots of them are carbon rich or just rocky and blocky. But this one is one of a special set of only about 9 asteroids that we know of that is very rich in metal. It gives us a signal when we look at it, and it reflects like something that's made of iron and nickel.